Hi everyone! Today we'll be making my delicious shrimp tacos and I will be showing you 3 amazing ways to make your own. What I love is how a hand-sized street food can bring so many flavors together in just a couple of bites. So let's make our tacos. I will be using about 400 grams of black tiger shrimp, raw and peeled. You can use any shrimp you like. I like this size because it fits perfectly in the tortillas with the fillings. Season shrimp with salt and pepper. Mince a half of a garlic and reserve. For the creamy cilantro sauce, we will blend half a cup of sour cream, 1 cup of cilantro leaves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Taste and adjust salt and pepper. Cut a plum tomato into small cubes. A half of a jalapeno also into small cubes. Clean very well the seeds and the white spots. Cut 1 avocado also into small cubes. Add some cilantro leaves and a half of lime juice. Salt and pepper to taste. For the tortillas, we will just warm them up. You can find the recipe for homemade tortillas in my homemade tortillas video. Place some olive oil over a medium heat pan and some butter. Add garlic, cook about 30 seconds. Add the shrimps and cook until pink. Flip and add the white wine, about 2 tablespoons, and add the chili flakes. Cook until the wine reduces by half and the shrimps are cooked. Put all together and enjoy it. For the grilled shrimps, we will make a marinade. Combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon and a quarter teaspoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 smashed garlic, half a tablespoon of sriracha. Marinate them about 30 minutes. For the slaw and crab salad, I bought this slaw bag in the groceries, but feel free to make it fresh if you want. It's white and purple cabbage and carrots. I'm using some crab sticks, which you can easily find in any groceries. Combine equal parts of slaw and crab. Toss with some barbecue mayo. I have this barbecue mayo recipe in my sauces video, but if you don't feel like making it, just use plain mayonnaise. Place shrimps on the grill over medium to high heat and grill about 3 minutes each side. Use the remaining marinade on the top to brush it. Cook until you have a nice char marks and the shrimps are done. Season shrimps with black pepper, salt and garlic powder, just a bit, and put it in the fridge. For the mango salsa, peel the mango and cut half a mango into small cubes. Half of a large red peppers, also into small cubes. And half of a jalapeno, also into small cubes, the same as the avocado salsa. Juice half of a lime and some cilantro leaves. We will be making a beer batter. Combine half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix 1 egg and half a cup of lager beer together. Mix both until well combined. You will see some bubbles, and this is right. For the coating, mix half a cup of coconut flakes and half a cup of panko bread crumbs. Get a tray with parchment paper, bring the shrimps, butter and coconut mix together on the table. Dip shrimps in beer batter and coat in coconut. You can use a fish tweezers or just your hands. Bring to the fridge for about 30 minutes. Bring shrimps from the fridge and deep fry them over a pot or a deep saucepan. Cook shrimps until golden brown color, about 2 minutes each side. You can also bake them. I am using spice mayo sauce, and you can also find the recipe for that in my sauces video. Those are my delicious shrimp tacos. Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.